This machine is mainly used for grinding various types of straight-edge cutting tools with different angles and lengths. Suitable for grinding various types of cutting tools in industries such as furniture, printing, plastics, textiles, and papermaking. Suitable for automatic grinding of plastic crushing knives, paper cutting knives, woodworking planers, rotary cutters, medicine cutting blades, etc. Fully automatic magnetic section, no need to tighten fixing screws. Larger blade grinding stroke, customized grinding lengths of 700 to 3500 mm. High precision automatic left and right movement for large-scale smooth grinding of knives. The processed tool is smooth and free of burrs.